Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Projects. Today we are going to discuss project 3, that is prime numbers, using method Sieve of Erathosthenes. Using this method we can find how can we identify prime numbers from 1 to 100. Let's start. So here first step is we have to write numbers from 1 to 100 in this way. Then first round up 1 guys. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Okay, then round up 2. So you have to take the multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2 2 is 4. You can cancel those. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 16. 18. 20. 22. 24. 26. 28. 30. 32. 34. 36. 38. 40. 42. 44. 46. 48. 50. 52. These are all the multiples of 2 guys. 56. 58. 60. 62. 64. 66. 68. 70. 72. 74. 76. 78. 80. 82. 84. 86. 88. 90. 92. 94. 96. 98 and 100. These are all the multiples of 2. So it will go in 2 table, right? So you have to cancel all the numbers which are divisible into. Next, we need to round up 3 guys. You have to take the 3 multiples also. Okay, 6 already we cancel. Now cancel 9. 3 5 is 15. 18 already cancelled. 3 7 21. 3 is 24. 27. Then 33. 39. These are all the multiples of 3. 45. Then 51. So like that, you cancel all the multiples of 3 guys up to 100. Then we go for 5th table, 5. So what are the multiples of 5? 10 already we cancel. 15 done. 20, 25 cancel. 30 already we cancel. 35 cancel. 35. 40, 45, 50, 55 you cancel. 60 already cancel. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 already we cancelled. Okay, now then we go for 7 table guys. What are the multiples of 7? We have to cancel all those. 7 2 is 14. 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63 already cancelled. 7 10 is 70. 7 11 is 77. 7 12 is 84. 7 13 is 91. That's it. Okay, then you go for 11. We have to go in sequence. Okay, after 7, so what is a number which we did not cross it? That is 11, right? So take the multiples of 11. What are the multiples of 11? 22, already we cancel. 33 we cancel. 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 88, 99 we cancel everyone. Okay, now go for 13 guys. 13 2s 26 cancel. 13 3 39 cancel. 13 4 52. 13 5 65. 13 6 78 we cancel. Okay, so this is 5 multiple guys we see here. Then 13 7s 91 we cancel. Okay, then we go for 17 table. What are the multiples of 17 guys? 17 2 is 34. 34 we cancel. 17 3 is 51 we cancel. 17 4 68 we cancel already. 17 5 85 we cancel. 17 6 102. It's enough. Now go for 19. 19 2 is 38 we cancel. 3 is 57 we cancel. 4s, so like that 19 table also. What are the multiples of 19? We have to cancel up to 100 guys. Okay, now see what are the numbers left out after cancelling all the numbers from 1 to 100. So we left out with 29, 31, 37, 41, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 79, 83, sorry 73 also, 87, 89, 97. Okay, so all these round up numbers we call prime numbers guys. The cross one we call it as composite numbers, and all round up numbers we call it as prime numbers. So guys, all these round up numbers, all these round up numbers comes under prime numbers. This cross one comes under composite numbers. Okay, so this is a method to find out prime numbers from 1 to 100 guys. Okay, we can go for even up to 200 also, is up to you. So this is a method to find out prime numbers. Okay, I hope you understand this project. Okay, in the next video we are going to cover with other topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. So all these round up numbers we call it as prime numbers, and the cross numbers we call it as composite numbers guys. Okay, I hope you understand this project. So in the next video I am going to cover with other project. Thank you for watching.